Hello, I'm Sean from TutFeed, and welcome to another video continuing our series on the Photoshop toolbar. The tool we're going to look at today is the Marquee Tool, so let's get started. The Marquee Tool can be found as a second option here from the top, just below the Move tool. And of course, we can click on this to select it, or if you notice, our tooltip shows us that the shortcut is the key M. Also, if you click and hold on any of these tools in your toolbar, you'll notice you get a couple of extra options that come up here. So in this case, we see we have probably the two most used ones, the rectangular marquee tool and the elliptical marquee tool. You also have a couple options on the bottom here. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use the rectangular marquee tool. Now this tool specifically is used for making selections or setting the area of effect for other tools. And all you have to do is set your crosshairs here wherever you'd like to start your selection. Click and then drag to make your selection. Anytime you make a selection like this, if you'd like to modify this in any way other than just getting rid of it and starting over, you can do all that from the Select menu up top here. So I'm going to go to Select. And we see the top four options here are probably the most used. So we can select all, which will select our entire canvas. We can deselect, which is going to kill that selection out for us. You can also reselect the last selection that we made. And then we can select the inverse of our selection as well. Just a couple quick tips, some shortcuts here or our modifier keys. Whenever making a selection, if you'd like to constrain this to a square, you can press and hold Shift and then drag. And I'll deselect that. If you hold Option on a Mac or Alt if you're using Windows, this will actually use wherever your cursor starts will be the center of your selection. So I'm going to press the Option key, click and drag, and you'll see that shows me, that uses where my cursor started as the center point for my selection. Alright guys, that's all for the Marquee tool for today. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos.